Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you have problems with your Microsoft 365 family account, it could be normal because there is something wrong. So some people have in the past 24 hours tried to access their Microsoft 365 account. They might have gone to the Microsoft 365 open, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and something happens. Rather than working as usual, you actually get this pop-up instead, which is, well, you're signed in as, and then it's going to say your Microsoft 365 subscription is expired, and so you can only view and print files in the app. So quite a few number of people have mentioned that they've came across this in the last 24 hours. It's still ongoing. Microsoft knows. Microsoft says that they are looking at what's happening. They say that it's possibly a server issue and something is just not acknowledging that your account, your subscription is still active. So if this is what has happened to you, hang in there because Microsoft says they are working on fixing it. I have seen a few blog posts of people saying that their account was back to normal, but I also see that there are still people that it gives this message. So they probably have started maybe helping out, working out on fixing it, but it's not everybody yet that has this fix. So if you are a victim of this message, don't do anything. Hang in there. It's supposed to fix itself with Microsoft working on it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.